All right, good morning. It is Tuesday. Yesterday was President's Day, so even though futures are open, but the volume are really low, so no trading there. Let's see, overnight. So it looks like this is 7. It is about 7:46 right now. So overnight low is like right here. Make that red so that we know. I'll probably write a script to do this piece here a little bit later. One. Overnight high. It's all the way up here. Big volume though. So this is yesterday. Actually, we got quite a bit of volume yesterday, I guess. Oh, let me remove this thing. Okay. Actually, we got quite a bit of volume yesterday. Continue to go up. Just gonna play this near-term channel here. Well, this is the big channel. Look like that's a pretty good fit. And then let's just zoom in on this thing here and see what we got. All right, let's see if we can get our trades in. Have a pretty nice second entry coming up here, but looks like it breaks support. So we got a little fake right here, and then to me the first entry is right here with this candle, right? This one right here is not too bullish. So, and that right there I just don't like. And so let's see if it makes it down to this channel here. And we're so far away from the EMA right now, so if it comes down here, that's pretty good. New low day. So this bottom channel has been tested quite a bit. Let's see. There. It's either like that or we move it up so that it touches all that points. Test it there, test it there, test it there. Almost tested. I'm willing to go for this just because we got the bottom channel here. I know a lot of folks saying that, hey, you know what, it's such a steep downtrend. We're only looking for a point scalp, far away from EMA, up against a channel that's been tested a few times. So we just need a good signal. And now, if not, we can go for that.
Order submitted.
That is not a good signal. We can certainly go for this trap right now as well if it comes down. But I think we will be able to get a scalp to the top. Just like over here. It's almost identical. Against the channel again.
Order filled. Target filled.
There you go. Again, right? We are on a steep downtrend, but take a look at our trend channel. It's certainly holding, and it's almost identical to this area right here. Right, so today is certainly a range day. Here's one that didn't quite get extended. So we got first entry long. So technically this right here is a second entry short right here, but again, this trend channel is not tested yet, so I didn't take that. But right here, second entry long right here, one tick. So it certainly could be a trap right there. Now, do we think that people took that to the long side? Because we can certainly go down here. Seems to be support right there. That's a very bullish bar, bearish bar. So, alright, I gotta close. I have to redraw everything, but I think we just got saved there. But take a look at this though. The candle actually forms differently now that we open and close again. Like right there, earlier it was a red bar, right, really bearish, and now it's not. It did come down. We would have almost lost that trade, but yeah, so I had this thing open since Friday, so maybe I need to close it more often, but gotta redraw everything. Alright, so now we got first entry long, and then here's a second entry long. Went over the EMA, got rejected here. Let's see. I'm not gonna take it. It didn't close over the EMA, so I'm not gonna try to attempt to go here. We got some resistance at this level here. Let's see if we can be a little more patient and see if it tests this channel right here. This is not tested yet. We know that this little channel of ours been tested quite a few times. Right, so let's see. It's triple bottom. If it falls out here, it's gonna touch this. And that's the trap right there to the upside. So let's go for the trap.
Order submitted.
So we would need it to go down here, which is a little bit above the trend channel that's been tested. I don't want to take it even if it's a bullish ball right now, just because it's congested and it hasn't made it down here yet. Okay, so no trap.
Order canceled.
I should have taken it because of this bottom. Yeah, no. Keep on making this mistake. Such strong support. The risk is very manageable, $100. Yep, bad call, bad call. All right, so this is a big risk. I'm just gonna leave it at 2, but we can see it keep trying close above the 200 EMA, and
Target filled.
right, so this channel right here has been holding. It came down here and clearly rejected, holding it right there. So, um, maybe we got lucky, but this is one of those things where it went up and shoot over the EMA, so I think it's gonna continue to try. So you can see that it got rejected here, never made it over, but this is such a bullish bar. It's hard to imagine that it would just get rejected. I didn't see it, but here's a second entry short. Here's a second entry short. We can still get filled. That's a very, very bearish bar there. Let's see, we got one, we got two. Yep, it is the second entry short. Hmm. Yeah, just like basically it's right in the middle. It's really hard to decide. So I'm gonna stay put. Yeah, I should have gone for it. I guess I just keep on paying attention to this bar and how big it is. Forgot to see that this is also getting rejected. Let's see, if we get in right here, our scout would, yeah, so our scout is right here. I think this right here is actually a better one than this one. This one is aggressive, but again, I think I would do it any day just because of how this thing played out. I'm going to bring the big channel back out. Hey, I hit the wrong button on the recorder, so it ended, so I can't show this, but here we go. We
Target
have the
filled.
first entry. We have the first entry short. Have the first entry short, and then the second entry, and it's such a small risk. We got such a high, strong uptrend, retracing everything. So I took a trap, right? It might not be a trap, but I really think there's some folks that took it here, and maybe their stop loss is somewhere above this area here. But I took that trap, right? And it doesn't feel like a trap once it get there because it lingers a little bit, but I just got out of the tray, barely enough. I drew this line right here. I knew there was resistance right there, but it actually ticks up to here. Um, anyway, the trade works. Um, let it, yeah, the trade did get up here. So it works, right? Might not be a good trap, but I took it because of the strong uptrend and I did this measure move. I think it will actually hit this area right here. All right, so it got to our channel pretty much. I think we still have about a tick more to go, but you can see it went over and just doesn't have enough steam to go, right? So it might start coming back, but we are congested. The risk is a little big. I'm going to see if it actually try to go up a little more. Oh, so it did. It came down. Just I just didn't want to give up this, right? But it is. You can see that it tried to make go higher, but it just can't. So, and then this is sort of an inside bar. I wish it ticked up and just give out, but you know what? We got one more trade, so let's try to find one that's really good. Uh, if it goes any higher, I can't take it because we will run against this triple top. Yeah, we just have to watch. It is a second entry. Yeah, can't take it. I just don't want to run against that triple top right there because right now we would be entering right here. We only got 3 ticks to get there. We need 5 ticks to ensure we get out. Yeah, just like what we thought. Came up here, came back down. We would not be stopped out yet, right? Because it would be down here. Well, anyway, never mind. This thing came up here and came down, so we would never be in the tray anyway. But right now, it's just this is such a big level here. Here's a series of downtrend. Second leg's coming. This area has not been tested yet. We got solid support here. Man, I would hate to give back all my gains here, but this looks really good. So there's a gap right here, strong downtrend. We retrace, and then right here. Okay, so this is not a good signal, so we're gonna sit and wait. Okay, so let's see here. Still, I don't like this bar, so I'm gonna cancel this.
Order canceled.
Getting congested at this level here. I really think it's gonna retest this level at least one, or try to close higher. There's a lot of sentiment. What is my overnight high and low? Oh, overnight low is right here. I don't even know if that's true anymore. Another doji body. Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. All right. Maybe this is the. Let's see here. We got a bunch of resistance coming this way here. Got some here. I really wish that these signal bars are a little better. Feel like this setup is not giving it to me. Even this one is not closing. It needs to close somewhere up here. That means I'm 1 tick above this right here. Still, risk is manageable still. Hope it goes and close up here, then I don't mind taking it at all. Okay, let's go for it. Got a series of 4 green bars going up. I really wish this thing closed, like right there. Then I would have taken it up, or one of these bars. Right now we already gone up almost 2 points. We'll see how this bar finishes. If it's a bearish bar, I'm just gonna cancel this order. Okay, I'm just gonna cancel this one. Well, unless it closes all the way to the top. Okay, it's too bearish. We still have almost 2 hours left to get our last trade, so let's just be patient here. I really think that once it takes over, this signal bar is still solid. Once it does that here, it might test this area before it goes higher or it goes lower. But I got to step away for a little bit, so I'm gonna cancel this order,
Order
come back.
canceled.
We're gonna look for a different setup. Wow, this sucks. Just got back and saw this. Form a nice double bottom right there too. Huh. Okay, but now this is key area is right here. So I'm willing to go short if the signal is right up here. Um, let's see. So we do have kind of a range. All right, be right back. All right, let's see. Are we gonna resume the upside? So here, got came down here. Huh. This is tough. Let's take a look. So we certainly see some downtrend here. Rejected at EMA. Then we already break through. So we got some support at this level here. See anything else? Don't see it. Yeah, I can't take this to the long side because we got one right here. That's the first entry, second entry. Actually, we'll see how this one closes. But this is, we might retest that.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna go for it.
Order filled.
And I'm just gonna leave it here at this risk. We did close over the EMA. But I don't want to take this big of a risk right here, 200. We lost this one, we're still in the green for the day. But it's a clear 2-leg up. And then this one basically is a engulfing, bullish engulfing bar. So I wasn't going to take it, but then since it closed above the EMA, so it makes me tempting to take it.
Target filled.
All right. Okay, good way to end the day. Okay. Again, I would not have taken it because of the big risk and the downtrend, but then this one is just basically a solid bar close above the EMA. We saw that earlier somewhere, right? So um, I do think it's going to test this area again. But okay, uh, so there you have it. Those are all the trades for today. Hope you like it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And subscribe, like, and share if you like the channel and the content of this channel. All right, see you guys. See you tomorrow.